UAP Women's Volleyball, pati men's volleyball sa umaga.
Yeah,
no?
in the morning.
Mga nakapila po kanina yan. Kanina, pinanood nila yung napakagandang UP-UE game. UP winning that one after winning the first 2 sets.
Yes.
Losing third and the fourth. And then dominating UE in that 5th set. Naubusan ng konti yung team ni Coach Boy Dalistan, which sets us up for this matchup to finish off the appearances of all yung mga debut ng lahat ng mga eskwela natin this weekend for women's volleyball.
3-point lead, 9 serving 6.
9 serving 6 now. The captain, Abigail Maraño.
Nice serve from Abby.
Oh! She was one of those who was tweeting her excitement for December 1. Of course, they're playing on a different day. But yung, the start of the volleyball season, yung hinihintay nga nila, which was yesterday. So, ayun naman. Chu, nanahimik si Chu.
That's right. After that strong start in the opening set, well, the change of setters, of course, obviously, there would be an effect from that.
That's right. Hindi pa bumabalik si
Esperanza.
Mika Esperanza. Jessie De Leon. Great reception by Gohing this time. Galang from the back row. Yan ang serve. Ayan ang set para kay Ortiz. Ortiz also looked like she lost a little bit of weight, Doc Ian.
That is inside.
Caught the line.
By Tunay.
Yeah, Micah Ortiz looks more fit.
Match fit, as we call it.
You can see the agility that has resulted to. She's moving side to side with still yung mga backpedaling niya, going up for those attacks and even asking for the set. And
there seems to be more purpose in her movement now as compared to, let's say, last year na parang nawawala pa siya kung saan siya gagalaw, ano?
Good cut shot from Hugh. Tough angle. She had nowhere else to go, but the USC defense thought that it's not going to go this way. Parang imposible, but she found a way. She got that ball across.
Michelle Tew. Lantin, back set. Checked at the net. A combination of Galang and Reyes, the two outstanding rookies from last year.
Solid block on Ortiz. Very easily read. Ayun, dalawa agad yung sumabay.
Pero maganda yung set ni Lantin, ha? Again, no, she doesn't move. She's just setting it so perfectly. Lauren Lantin, very simple. She's not one of those flashy setters that we've seen in the past. And the thing about Lantin also, medyo may height siya. So during the blocking part, hindi siya nagiging disadvantage.
That's right. She's not a liability over at the net. And all her balls seem to have parang standard height, spin, bilis. So it's not easy for it's not hard, I mean, for the attackers to go up and approach and hit it at the peak, so to say, yung tamang buelo, tamang timing, medyo madaling basahin. A service ace from Lantin.
Reception has been an issue for LaSalle as we are tied now at 11. I'm looking at Esperanza dun sa may likod. Parang nanggigigil.
Hindi pa ba?
Oo, parang, I'm sure she's also frustrated for her teammates right now. Back set.
That's too low.
Oo. May nagkaamuyan si Fajardo at si Reyes.
That's right, that's too low. Didn't hit it properly. Now we're tied at 11.
USC now with the lead, 12 serving 11.
And another thing about Rhea Dimokulangan, she was a great server.
Yeah.
Diba? Not only a great setter, she was a great server. One of the better ones. Ayo.
Another attack error by LaSalle.
Timing off there for Galang.
Timeout is LaSalle.
USD, a 2-point lead, 13-11. Makinig muna tayo sa LaSalle.
Ayun, paluin yung bola. Ginagano. Hindi, mamamatay ng bola. Ayaw yung matake. Kailan natin ako matake? Kailangan ko maglaro ka. Kailangan ko maglaro. Hindi mo pwede tayo manonood ng nyo maglaro. Naiintindihan? Kasi si Discarte, wala eh. Yung execution, hindi. Hindi natin na tama yung dapat yung gawin. Isip mo lang yung ginagawa ng kalaban nyo. Magbalik ka sa mga. Stop na, nandun lagi.
What we're not seeing, Doc, is the crispness of the LaSalle game.
Yeah.
They're very tentative. Even the coaches called them out.
That's what I'm saying. Early on, Rhea de Maculangan on your screens, part of the coaching staff right now for UST.
Mentoring sigurado.
I'm not
to si
surprised if under
Lauren.
that jacket is a uniform.
Ready to go. Ready to go.
Baka lang, sabi baka lusot.
With their new uniforms na may konting ruffles dun
Tapos,
sa dulo.
totoo, maganda. Tingnan, pagka, mamaya baka pwede natin ipakita yan. But,
Natatanong natin kay Mosey tsaka kay Ann ng fashion, relevance niyan. In the meantime, yeah, you wanted to say.
baka wala rin alam yung dalawang yun. Kaya, wag na lang siguro natin.
Ikaw nagsabi nun, hindi ako, as we have a long rally here. Fajardo continues to set. Galang still unable to put it away. Reyes, hinabol. Free ball for UST. To the delight of the UST fans, are they going to waste it? No! Caballero through the block.
And I glimpsed towards the direction of Ogo Santa Maria. After that play of Caballero, wow.
Tumuturo.
Parang may...
Ako nagturo niyan. Ako nag-recruit
dyan. Nice to see. Just nice to see.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
I was about to say earlier, yung timeout ni Coach Ramil, it's the same sentiments that he had in the first set. It's USC dictating the pace. Sila sumasabay
You're
lang.
right.
And then they're not setting a place and they're not hitting the ball well. So USC, pagkadating ng bola, kahit ano nang gustong gawin nila,
You're right.
they can just drop it in the middle, attack it strong, and give out those running spikes at their own will. So
This is the biggest lead, even going back to the first set,
Correct.
if I'm not mistaken. 50. Kanina pa nagsaserve to si Loren. 15 serving 11. Reyes. That's out.
that's outside.
Reyes.
No touch.
Takes it out.
So we go
Another
into
point
the
for
second
UST.
technical timeout. This time,
Second
LaSalle
technical timeout.
behind by 5. Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.